Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a quick and honest review on this Snail Mucin Skin Rescue Jelly Mask. I am super excited because I've heard great things about skincare that is made out of the snail's mucin. So this one is from SHVYOG and I've heard great things, so let's unbox this. It came in this little box. It comes with a little applicator, which I love. I actually needed one of these, so I'm super excited about this because it's gonna make the application so much easier. And this is the product itself. I am super excited, and this jelly mask has 96% snail mucin and mint, so it's gonna be great for my skin. It has a ton of powerful but yet gentle ingredients, which I feel it's great for all kind of skin types. And the 96% of the snail mucin concentrate is going to be great. This face mask, it's supposed to be super hydrating, and it's supposed to give a ton of different benefits. It also has hyaluronic acid and peppermint, which are great ingredients. And I absolutely love that it's fragrance-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and also free of those annoying chemicals that are not great. I would say I have dry to combination skin. I feel like in the winter my skin gets really dry, but when it's the summer it's like dry, but it can get oily sometimes. So I overall wanted to try out this mask for the different benefits. This face mask is very gentle. It doesn't have any aggressive ingredients, so let's try it out. So it says I need to apply to clean, dry skin, so I'm gonna wash my face real quick. So now I'm gonna grab a generous, but not that much of the product. It looks like this. It's literally like jelly, and it's going to have like a cooling sensation on the skin. You can also like store this in a skincare fridge or just a regular fridge, and it's going to be so refreshing. It feels great on the skin. I love that the formula is super easy to spread, and I feel like the applicator is perfect. So now that I have applied the mask evenly throughout my face, I'm gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes as the packaging says, and I'll be back to give you guys my honest review. Overall, I love this little applicator. It made the application of the face mask super easy, and I love the consistency of the face mask. I feel like it's, as I said before, going to be super refreshing if you put it in the fridge, but it does have that like cool sensation to it. And yeah, so let's wait. So I would say I left it in my skin for about 15-ish minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and now I'm gonna wash it off. So I must say I absolutely loved this Snail Mucin concentrate jelly mask. I feel like my skin is so well moisturized, and I feel like this mask worked great, and I just absolutely loved the effect it had. I would definitely recommend checking out this Snail Mucin Skin Rescue Jelly Mask. I have a lot of great things to say about it. I'll keep using it as well, but overall, from my first impressions, I loved it. I love the formula, the consistency, the effect, everything. So definitely check out this mask. Honest review, I absolutely loved it. I feel like it's totally worth it, and I love the little applicator as well. Definitely check this out.